Drev, founded in 2023, Sweden, clean tech.
Today, the world is going through a rapid green energy transition. And to accomplish this, batteries have become an essential part of our daily life. But they're also the biggest bottleneck in scaling sustainable solutions. That's why big players are so heavily investing in scaling battery production. I have been an integral part of making this happen. I was there when Tesla and Panasonic built in Sparks, Nevada, the world's first giga-factory. And I'm here with you today to speak about one of the main challenges I experienced firsthand. Today, the industry is spending hundreds of millions in processes that are inefficient to remove toxic minerals from their production areas to keep these massive facilities running safe. When you make batteries, these minerals, which are the metals that they use to produce the batteries, they escape the process, they land on all surfaces, and since they're so small, literally invisible to the human eye, they become very challenging to pick up. To make it more complicated, the current available products are not designed to collect this type of toxic materials. They expose people to carcinogenic metals, and they waste valuable resources. That's why we founded Drev. At Drev, we have designed a patent-pending system that can run continuously without disrupting production, protecting people, and enabling recycling. With our business model, we support our customers, identify the areas where these minerals can be found, we provide immediate value by offering our products, and we have an ongoing support with our material collection and recovery and our maintenance service. This year, we started 3 pilot projects, and we have 4 offtake agreements in the pipeline with leading customers in Europe and the US. And we have proven the concept for employees' health and material recovery. Our service obtainable market is expected to reach over 750 million by 2030, and we anticipate a total addressable market of 72 billion. To accomplish this, we have an amazing world team in place, which has experience in battery manufacturing, IP protection, and material recovery. The urgency is happening now, and we're taking actions to address this significant challenge. And as we move forward, we're looking to investors to join us in our upcoming seed round to help us accelerate our technology and make it happen. Thank you.